Want to increase the opacity of objective marker in Call of Duty but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to increase the opacity of objective marker in Call of Duty. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by tapping on the settings icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on basic from the left side of your screen. After that, scroll down to marker settings. Below it, you can see objective marker with two options, scale and opacity. Slide the slider button of opacity towards the plus sign. And that's how to increase the opacity of objective marker in Call of Duty. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.